at the bottom of the trend we got the doji. So this means that bulls and bears are in control. Means they are trying to push the price up. Also sellers are trying to push the price down. Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Trader Chitra. Today we are going to see the doji candlestick patterns. So what is a doji candlestick pattern? So a doji candlestick pattern that looks like a cross as the opening and closing prices are equal or almost the same. So this is the neutral doji. Okay. So this looks like a cross. And doji is often found at the bottom and top of the trend, and it is considered as the sign of possible reversal of the price action. So what is the meaning of this? Because when we are in the uptrend or when the price market is in the uptrend and when we find the doji at the top of the trend, we can expect that there might be a pause in the uptrend and we can expect the reversal. And the same for the downtrend also. If we find the doji at the bottom of the trend, we can expect there is a pause in the downtrend and we can expect that price may go up. So this is how we have to use the doji in our trading. So here there are four types of doji. This is the neutral doji and this is the dragonfly doji. This is how it looks like a T. And this is a gravestone doji that looks like an inverted T. And this is a long leg doji. This is the neutral doji. This is the open price. This is the high, low and the close. In the neutral doji, the open and close is almost same or it will be equal. There won't be much difference in the price. Say for example, the price opened at 100 rupees and made a high of 150 rupees and price came till 70 rupees and closed at the 100 rupees. So why this pattern is very powerful? Because the market opened at 100 and buyers tried to push the price till 150 rupees, but what happened? The price went till 70 rupees because buyers and sellers both are very strong here. So buyers try to push the price up and sellers also very powerful and they try to push the price till 70 rupees and there also the price didn't able to sustain and closed. That is, the price closed exactly at 100 or near to 100. So this is how this candle is formed. That is called as neutral doji. This is the dragonfly doji and it looks like a T. This is the open price, high, close and low. So this dragonfly doji is considered as bullish candlestick pattern. So say for example, if the price opened at 100 and made a low of 80 rupees and high and close is almost near to the 100. So what happened? The price opened at 100 rupees and sellers tried to push the price till 80 rupees but buyers are in control and price closed at 100 rupees or near to 100 rupees. It can be 120 or 90. Like that only dragonfly doji is formed. So this candlestick pattern is considered as a bullish candlestick pattern. So when we get a doji at the bottom of the trend, one can enter into the long trade above this candle. This is the gravestone doji. So this looks like an inverted T. Okay. So this is the high, open, low and close. Here what happened? Price opened at 100 rupees and made a high of 120 rupees. So buyers try to push the price till 120 but sellers are in control and they close the price at 100 rupees. So sellers are more powerful here. So this is considered as a bearish candlestick pattern. So one can enter into the short trade below this candle. Now we can see how to enter into the trade using this doji pattern. So this is the Nifty chart and the time frame is a daily time frame. So here we can clearly see that the price is in the downtrend. Okay, so the price is the downtrend, that is continuously price is coming down. And at the bottom of the trend we can see we got a doji. This is a neutral doji. So what this doji indicates, in the downtrend at the bottom of the trend we got the doji. So this means that bulls and bears are in control. Means they are trying to push the price up, also sellers are trying to push the price down. So if this low is broken means the trend may continue, that is downtrend may continue. Else if the high of the candle is taken away means the price may go up. That means we can enter into the long trade above this doji. Okay, so now we'll see how the trade is going on. So I will mark the line above this candle. So now we can see that the high of the candle, this doji candle is broken and we got a green candle above this doji. So one can enter into the long trade. Okay. And this is the daily time frame chart. So positional traders can use this type of candlestick patterns in the daily time frame. So the price is continuously moving in an uptrend. So this is how we have to analyze the chart and read the chart and understand where we are getting these types of doji candlestick pattern. And this pattern is very, very powerful. This is the Reliance daily time frame chart. Now I will show you like how to enter into the long and short trade using the neutral doji candlestick. So here the price is in the downtrend. You can clearly see that. Right? So the price is continuously falling, and at the bottom of the trend, when you see, we got a doji. That too, we got two dojis here. So as we discussed earlier, if we get neutral doji at the top or bottom of the trend, how to trade using that? So here we got at the bottom of the trend. So if this low is broken, what will happen? The trend may continue. Else, if the high of this candle is broken, means we can see a rally in the price. See, after that price moved till 2600 plus. Okay. So after that what happened? Again we got a doji at the top of the trend. So buyers and sellers are trying to push the price up and down. So after that this doji candle's low is broken. Did you see the fall after that? So the price started falling. Okay, so this is how you have to use the doji in your trading according to the time frame which you have to select. Now we can see how to trade using the dragonfly doji. So here the price is in the downtrend. Okay, so we got the dragonfly doji at the bottom of the trend. You can see here. Okay, so as we discussed earlier, if we got the dragonfly doji at the bottom of the trend, one can enter into the long trade if the high is broken. And this dragonfly doji is a bullish candlestick pattern. So if we are finding the dragonfly doji at the bottom of the trend in any time frame, we can enter into the long trade if the high is broken. So if this high is broken, that is, I will show you here. So we can put a horizontal ray above this candle. So if once this high is broken, we can enter into the long trade. So you see the movement of price after that. So this is a 5 minutes time frame chart of Bank Nifty. So intraday traders can make use of this. And the stop loss is low of this candle here. So this is the low of the candle is the stop loss, and entry is above this dragonfly doji. Entry is here. So this is the entry. Okay. So why this dragonfly doji is very powerful? Because here the sellers are trying to push the price down and buyers are trying to push the price up. So price closed up, that is the closing price is more here. This is the low of the candle. So this is called dragonfly doji is formed. So buyers are in control. That is the meaning of the dragonfly doji. Now we can see how can we trade using the long leg doji. So before that we will understand what is a long leg doji. So long leg doji is a candlestick that consists of long, upper and the lower shadows and has approximately the same opening and the closing price. So here the price is in the downtrend, that is price is like falling down, and at the bottom of the trend we got the long leg doji. So same concept of the neutral doji we can apply here. Okay, so once the high is broken, this high is broken of this long leg doji, we can enter into the long trade. Okay, so you can see that price moved up after that, and stop loss is low of this doji. This is the stop loss. Stop loss of the doji. This is the stop loss, and entry is above this candle. This is the entry point. Okay. So in this green candle, we can enter into the trade. So always try to find these types of doji at the support and the resistance level. That will be more powerful. Now we can see the gravestone doji and how can we trade using that. Here the price is in the uptrend. When you see that the price is going up, and at the resistance level, here we have one resistance level. Okay, so when you see that the price is in the uptrend and at the resistance level we got this gravestone doji. So at the top of the trend we got the gravestone doji. So one can enter into the short trade if this low is broken. Okay, so we can enter into the short trade, and here we can see that there are prices in the consolidation. We got a doji here, after that one red candle, that is a bearish signal we got here. After that we got the gravestone doji. So one can enter into the short trade if this low is broken. So you see the price falling after that. Okay, so gravestone doji is a bearish candlestick pattern. It is not always correct, so you have to find the support and resistance level, and if you find the candlestick pattern at that level, one can enter into the long or short trade. Okay, hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.